booty dance.
Just the booty dance? That's the booty dance. Oh, Lord.
Better keep your booty down. Nobody wants to see your booty. Just checking herself out.
Uh-huh. Where you going with Grandma? Gigi? Uh-oh. She's gonna get the truck. She's gonna get the truck. Look, she's gonna get the truck. Yeah. Just look at Jazzy. Jazzy's gonna get the truck. And that's what she wanted the whole time. That's what she wanted the whole time. Why are you so silly, Papa? Why are you so silly? You got a silly brother over here. He's making me rock back and forth. Boy!
Nobody wants to see your booty.
Stop that, Trey.